Well, it's no surprise that it's pretty hot in Florida in the summertime. So what we've done is a little bit of backyard engineering to add some 60s vintage air conditioning to this old 66 Chevy truck. Rather than putting in a compressor and an exchanger and all the ducting and all that stuff, when it gets really hot sitting at the light, because when you're on the road and you're running, it's not uncomfortable, it's fun and enjoyable, but when you're sitting at the light it gets pretty hot and stuffy. So we've added a little bit of again, a little backyard air conditioning to this machine. What we've done is taken an old Fiero cooling fan and put it in the ceiling, so if it doesn't do a good job cooling, at least it'll do a good job of giving you an unwanted haircut. Let's see how this thing operates. It's hardwired to the battery, clamped down to the battery with a on-off switch. So while you're sitting there and you want to get cooled off a little bit, excuse the jerking around of the camera here, you hit the switch, that puppy winds up, gives you quite a bit of air. I plan to put some chicken wire or something to cover that up, because if it does fall down, it's not going to be a lot of fun. Florida air conditioning 60s style.